Hey guys, just Kylie here with Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. We're redoing the intro to this video because someone lost the footage. So this review shooting rate will be about the 365XL. The 365XL is going to come with a stainless steel slide and frame, a black polymer grip, and a flat trigger. Your barrel length is going to come in at 3.7 inches, overall length at 6.6, and overall width at 1.1 inches. Your height coming in at 4.8 inches, weight with an empty magazine is 20.4 ounces. MSRP for the 365XL is $579.99. Locally, you'll find it low to mid 500s.
Nice.
No, it's a wrap.
We're done with this part.
No, it's for you.
My mistake has been sponged away.
You're out of battery. Just give it a push forward and see what happens. There you go. Good to go. Kylie, what's your thoughts?
My first thoughts is I don't care for the trigger.
Okay.
Other than that,
Why didn't you like the trigger?
it was really heavy pull.
Okay.
Real heavy pull. And I kind of figured that maybe it's just because I'm a female, smaller. But your thoughts on the trigger?
I agree. Trigger is absolutely horrible. I have the regular 365, and for whatever reason, it's better than this one. This one's supposed to be the better one. The shoe on it, obviously, it's got the straight shoe instead of the curve. So I'm hopeful that the more we shoot this, it'll smooth out. But it's very gritty in addition to being kind of a heavy pull.
Right.
All right. So what are your other observations? How'd you like how it felt, the size of it, that type?
Everything else I liked. The feel of it was nice in my hand. I liked the way it shot.
So I'll tell also for those of you that would like to know a little more about this, more than our quick review here, you can watch, we did a live feed when we first got it, and you can go down a few videos and you'll see that. And Eric and I did a review, and I said there's actually quite a few other things I don't like about this firearm. Having said that, the things that I do like about it outweigh the things that I don't like, and I'm going to keep one. In fact, I'm going to keep this one. But I'm not a huge fan of the rear sight. You can't replace it easily because it is actually welded to, or it's a part of this entire plate, which means you have to take the entire plate off. You can't, there's not a standard dovetail back there that you can press in a different sight. If you're using an optic on it, you do lose the rear sight completely, so that's another issue. And in addition to that, there's only two optics currently that will fit this. That being said, I love the length of it. I'm gonna ask you to go back and look at the review that we did down with Eric and myself, and I'll tell you a little more about that. If you're gonna give this thing a 1 to 5 stars based on price versus what this is, does not include durability, once again, because we're not gonna shoot enough rounds through it to tell you what the durability is. What are you gonna give this?
I'm probably gonna go with a 4.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go with a 4 just because, like you said, the things that you like about it outweigh the things that you don't like about it.
Yep.
So all in all, it feels like a really great gun, shooting gun for me. Just the trigger has a downfall.
For me, it's probably gonna be a 3.5, somewhere in there, 3.5. And the reason is, I feel like if I don't shoot enough rounds through it to smooth out the trigger, then I'm gonna have to do that or replace the trigger. And relative to the price, we're getting a little more expensive. You're paying for this extra stuff up here that they've done. I love the fact that it's got the longer grip. It's more comfortable, it holds more rounds. I love the longer sight radius, plus we have a little more powder burning. So I'm still gonna give it a 3.5 despite the trigger, but I would really like to see them do something different with that. If you like what you're seeing, what are they gonna do?
You're gonna hit the bell that's underneath the screen that we are on right now. It's gonna send you notifications when we upload videos, and make sure to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Thanks guys, take care.